Hi, my name is Anyeley Hallova, and I'm the founder of Adre, and I'm a real estate developer in Portland, Oregon. My company specializes on projects that bring benefit to communities that normally don't have access to real estate investment and ownership, those being Black, Indigenous, and people of color. My history with mass timber in Oregon started with a project called Framework, which won the U.S. Tall Wood Building Prize that was given by the USDA and the Softwood Lumber Board and the Binational Softwood Lumber Council. And really, this was the seed money that allowed for research and development to happen on making the first building permitted in the United States for a high-rise made out of wood. After that project, I worked on a project for one of the largest foundations in Oregon called the Meyer Memorial Trust, their headquarters, which took all of the research that we did on those first projects and really added the element of equity, racial and social equity to the equation, so that not just thinking about where we get our wood with regard to sustainability, but also thinking about who gets to participate in the building process. Ultimately, the goal for these projects is to be sustainable in all sense of the word, in environmental sustainability and social sustainability and economic sustainability. The private development sector is very interested in our region in doing mass timber buildings. What we aren't able to do in the development sphere is create the factories that produce this product. And from talking to manufacturers that are interested in it, a lot of them don't want to put that investment in unless they know there is a demand for the investment. So it's a chicken or egg, the supply or the demand. And so what's really great about this funding is the ability to create manufacturing, which essentially can motivate the private sector to start specifying these products in their buildings, essentially creating that demand. And so from my experience, I know that the demand will be there. It's just that we need to be assured in the real estate development sector that the supply can be met. And so I think these two aspects, one being more quick modular construction in rural areas and then high-rise construction in urban areas, is a real opportunity. And what we have in Oregon is a legislature, local governments, private sector, and the public sector who are supportive of mass timber versus I think in other states where you have a lot of pushback on it. So we actually have the ability to be a role model for the nation by doing this in a more quick manner.